ചൂടാനൊരു മുത്തുക്കുട മുറ്റത്തൊരു മാർഗം കളിമറായോ.
Yes, very good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Very good morning to everyone present here. Yes, let me just quickly get some things ready. Pradeep says good morning. Dhanilakshmi says Namaskaram. Yeah. Good morning, bro. Have a good day. Says Arun Prakash. Yes. Very good morning, everyone. Had some late night works, very late night works. I slept at almost at 1:45, 2 o'clock, and hence woke up only at 8:40, 8:45. Just had my breakfast, and now I am coming back. Yeah. Shihab K says good morning. Very good morning, Shihab. Very good morning. So let's see what Nifty has got in store for us. So yes, uh, anything about day high, then I am going call option. I am going call option. So that is my immediate judgment. Live trading starts. Delete. So this one to the side. 25 300, 25 400, 17 July call option, and I'll have it here. Anything about the day's high, which probably it looks to be, and this might be taking a support at this level, which is 25 250 possibly. And anything about the day's high, yes, it has crossed 300 again. It has come down to what, 285. I saw in the morning that Nifty was opening gap down, considerable gap down, and it is showing positivity since then. I am ready with my 25,400C, which is the immediate OTM call, which is at 91 rupee now. With possibly this as my stop loss at 25,280 as my stop loss, I can consider a trade. If the day's high is to be broken with strength, and we'll also track our favorite 915trade.com. Yes, it is almost approaching the day's high now. Approaching the day's high. Better I'll go with my 350 call, because uh, the time decay, the some sort of premium decay might affect me, so I don't want so much of that to happen. VIX is down 0.5% again. After Nifty opening this much gap down, still VIX is down. This is at 106, so I'll be ready with my 25,350, 25,350 CE2 at 17 of 76. Yeah, so it seems to be breaking the day's high. So I am entering. Yes. So immediately it seems like we are getting a trade. So nothing yet, nothing confirmed yet, but we are just waiting to see if this is going to be broken out. We'll see. Yeah. So this is 915trade.com. Seems to be breaking the day's high, but nothing confirmed yet. So we are just waiting to see how Nifty unfolds. We'll just wait. So I am just editing my description here to include some more details. Yes, now it is breaking the day's high. Okay, so yes, so now I can go for my buy. I am placing the order at 117. That is where our 100 and yeah, I'll place it 116 now. Chalo, 116 at only 3 lots. So I have placed the order. So that is where I want it. 116, 3 lots. That is my first entry, and I am even confident to enter more if if Nifty is taking a small break and then possibly going up. So my stop loss will be at 104, somewhere at 104. That is almost 10 to 12%, which is the bottom of this candle. 103 I will keep it. Okay, that will possibly be the bottom of this candle also, at 25,290. So I have entered at 116. Yes. So this is our position today. We have entered the 25,350 call of next week expiry at 116 and only 3 lots. We are not dealing with higher quantity, and we are expecting, I am expecting much higher movements, possibly long position here, and my stop loss will be at 103, and I'm expecting much more. So this is a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.7 as of now, but I'm expecting more. I am expecting, definitely expecting more. So I'll place my stop loss soon. Currently trading flat. Okay, let us also take a look at what 915 trade is telling us. Live charts, Nifty. Taking us to losses now. Okay. So I'll place my SL. Yes, I'll place my SL slightly more aggressively. I'll place my SL at 102. I think by the bottom of 285, it may reach up to another 12 points, right? So another 12 points will be 102 to 103, where I'll place my SL 103, and the trigger price will be 103, 102.8. So 103 will be my SL, and I have placed my SL. Yes, I have placed my SL at 103, so I don't want to take any risk beyond that. Yeah, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay, so finance with AB 7012173899. Instagram and interested option tool is at 915trade.com. Yes. So how do I edit this? It's not made for kids. Save, yeah. So you can check out on our channel our description for all the social media handles as well as the uh, tool which I use for options trading. Okay, so the tool I use is mainly 915trade.com, and if I see 25400 is where the next immediate uh, resistance is. 25300 is acting as a support. 25300 should be a support. As far as only the volume is concerned, again, I'm not betting on too much of technicalities, but based only on volume. So that's a that could change at some point of time. Jacob sir says good morning, very good morning. Srirag Ammanath says good morning. Srirag, is he a new face in our channel? Okay, I'm not so sure. Okay, anyway, so everyone, welcome to our channel. So our positions are here for all of you to see. We are trading at a loss of around 1100 rupee now. And our yesterday our expiry day was fine, made around 9k yesterday. Again, a decent profit, not very less, not huge, just decent profits. I can't see this one going up further again. Just broke the day's high and it was sort of a false breakout. It's what I get my feel now. Is the feel I get now. Anyway, we'll see. We already have our stop loss. Not a big issue. We will deal with it. I'll just copy my link. So it's 11th of July, right? So I'll send it to this mastery beginners guide. So what is Nifty unfolding for us? Yes, 290 to 280 is where it is playing out now. And we are at a loss of 1300, 1500, yeah, 15. By the way, our portfolio is down by 0.9 percentage, 1 percentage down. Nothing looks good today. Good morning, have a great day, says yes, Amrita Jibin. Hello, Amrita. Good morning. And every single thing in the red except R Power and Tata Steel, which is only a dummy stock. R Power is 1.5% up, Home Infra flat, and which is the most down, which has gone down considerably. IREDA down almost 5%. Just when it looked like IREDA might be taking a turnaround and might be giving us those profits. Yesterday finished with total 200 premium points. Pradeep, I still don't get how do you count these points? Like you count the, uh, let's say 50 to 60, you count it as 10, 100 to 150, another 50, and you count the premium points. And why do you complicate it so much? That it is this much profit or this much percentage when by keeping it simple? I think that's the simplest calculation. You generally come into our lives and you say quote 12 points, 27 points. You keep a count of that. We never keep a count of that. We just deal in percentages or let's say this much k, 1k, 2k, or whatever it is. Premium points. I don't know. Different people have different their own methods, their own views. So anything is fine. Anyway, very good, very good. I get it. I get it. Option premium points, but you keep counting. You take a sum of all your trades and this much premium points. Yeah, anyway, so 25 300. Hmm. Let me take a 1 minute break. I'll be back soon. I just need a minute. Yes, we are back. Yes, we are back. At 113 now. Things not looking very positive for us, but this might be uh, a small pause before uh, further upward rally, possibly. We'll see. So those who are in the stream, please consider liking the stream. Please give us a like. You can also consider subscribing to our channel if you have not done it yet. ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാത്തവരൊക്കെ ഒന്ന് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്ത്. Okay. $25 200 C. Okay, 27 points. Okay, great, great, Pradeep. Yeah. So it is approaching the 290 levels where I don't want to hold it for long. Technically not looking the most comfortable one. And it is coming down to hit our SL now. Almost at our SL. The last session, both sides nalla gamma blast hit. Yeah, even we had a trade yesterday, by yesterday evening. Yes. Almost at our SL now. Very close to our SL, and it is going to get hit soon. Yeah. Hi, Surte. Good morning, says Arun Dev. Arun Dev, very good morning. Very good morning. Not the very best of mornings for me. We are at a small loss at around 2,500. Yeah. 103 is where I've kept my SL, and I think nothing much positive is happening in the market. I might have to exit right now. Yeah, anyway, so I'm just modifying my order. I don't see much positivity happening, and I'm just waiting for this candle to finish. If it is again finishing below that 25 to 85 levels, below 25 to 85 and all, I will not probably want to hold it for long, because that may be further slide down. I don't want to take that risk. This is 2,500, which is very much affordable to me. I'll just wait anyway. Anyway, it's a matter of another 2 points where when it will get hit. Yes, yes, now it is hit. My SL is hit, was at 103. Now it has gone down to the hundreds. Yes. So our first trade has yielded us a loss of around 2,800 rupee, 2,900, yeah, 2,900. And things don't look very bullish now. So നമ്മൾ ഗണപതിക്ക് തേങ്ങ അടച്ചിട്ടാണ് തുടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. We thought the day's high was broken and it is further going up, but that was not the case. Anyway, we had our stop loss set, so nothing much happening. 22, right? Yes, as you can see, now it has gone down to the 96. So great that we exited at 103. And now possibly going all the way down. Yes, I can even plan an entry if Nifty keeps its bearish mode. And the volumes are also now supportive of another bearish trend. So I can possibly go for, get my positions out for next week's. I'll have sensible here. I can even consider shorting Sensex, because things look bearish now. Yes, looking bearish. Yes. So I'll get my strategy builder out. Now, where is the maximum selling pressure? 25,400 and 500 equally resisting. 25,500 and 4. So that is 1% on either side. So let's say I'm just tracking Sensex similarly. 1% could be 84. Even I can go for 84,000. Can even short 84,000 at 37. Let's say I'll go for 84,500 and 85,000. If I do that, it's only 0.35 percentage. Again, that is probably due to less premiums in the market. There is no considerable premiums to play with. 84 500, I'll go for 84 300. Yeah, that will yield me 0.6 percentage. 0.6 percentage in 4 days time. It is very fair, very much fine. And I have got some other commitments also today. I'm just leaving home to hometown. I have already told you I am working as a faculty in Nucleus, the Center of Science. So I have got some commitments in uh, town as well, in my hometown. So possibly I'll be leaving by 10:30 to 10:40 because I'm supposed to be there by 11:30. So uh, when I haven't taken a bath yet. Okay, okay. So this is done. We are possibly headed downwards now as the alpha arc says, possibly headed downwards. Further down movement is possible. And let me look at what IT is doing, because IT was the ES index which was very much down. It is INFI is down, everything is down. BS is again 2% down, everything looking bearish. GRSE 2.5, BEML 3% down, Mustdoc 2.5, all the defense stocks performing bad, MRF 1.2 down, IRED, oh my god, 5% down. Did some results come out? I don't know. But anyway, it seems that we are not in a bull market now. I don't know if we are in a bull market, because when things started looking positive and Nifty broke the 25,200 levels and started rallying upwards, yes, it did give a rally for 2 to 3 days, and that was it. Like predominantly there is no bullish sentiment, which is, see, in the midst of a rally, immediately after 2 to 3 days of breakout, we don't want this to happen. See this one. See, this is, I don't know. I cannot say this is a positive market and something significant, something positive keeps happening. I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, not bullish. Not bullish anyway. We have been saying this for the past some days. When we come into trade, we write our verdict, right? This is what we think, how the mood of the market is. And we have been saying this, not bullish anyway, mild bearish, not heavily bearish too, mild bearish. I'll keep my view bearish until at least 25 550 to 600 ranges is broken. 25 550 to 600 is to be broken for me to have any sense of positivity to be coming back in the market. Until then, nothing. See, the option is at 93 now. We are exited at 103. Things do not look much positive for Nifty again. Let's see how the futures in US futures are doing. Yes, the Dow Jones futures is 0.26% down again. As far as the global market is concerned, only Hang Seng is down, up by 1.9%. S&P 500 0.22 down. Dow Jones yesterday was up 0.43, but the futures are down by 0.26%. FTSE, okay, Britain is up by 1.23%. It's sort of a mixed markets globally, and I don't see any huge positivity either outside India also. There are stock results coming up. This is the month of quarterly results. Okay. Yeah, sorry. So today is again weekend. It's rainy here. I feel like sitting idle and doing something else. What's the time? It's 10:10. So again, if this is breaking down to a downside, I am ready for another entry at the put side. If 25 to 60 levels are like 257 and the candle is approaching the day's low, I'll be ready for another entry at, I'll go for 25,200 put, 25,200 PE. I'll be ready with that. I could possibly get an entry at around 88 to 89 if it is coming down further. At 86 now. Rahima says, have a good day. Have a good day, Rahima. NIT-യിൽ ഉള്ള നമ്മുടെ കൊളീഗാണ്. Colleague or well-wisher. And what is Nifty doing today? Again, forming kind of a double top here, which is not a, which cannot exactly be called a double top. Still, I can get my path out. So this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one, and possibly here and here. I don't know. Well, but if it is a double top and going down further, it could again face further down movements. Possibly at 75. So there are very less number of likes. Please consider liking the stream. Okay, please like the stream if you find some sort of worth in it. Please, uh, your support means a lot to us. It doesn't cost you anything, right? So you can definitely consider. 260. Again, whatever we are doing, we are only again gonna play with 3 lots. We don't want to be taking any extra risk, additional risks, too much higher risk, because we have already faced a small loss today, which is not the smallest loss, but again, no considerable amount, nothing much. Things are looking bearish. I'm going to enter 3 lots of the 25,200 put at around 86 rupee. Yeah, I'll enter at 86 rupee, 25,300 put. So I've placed my order. It's at 88.9 now, so I'll just modify it. I didn't see it coming to 9. Yeah, I'll get it at 87.5. Chala. Yes, and that is executed. I have entered at 87.5. Again, only 3 lots. Not playing with too much quantity. And it is rain here. I don't know like how connectivity my voice will be. We'll try our best to minimize the noise. Just a minute. Yes, we are back. So this is our second trade for the day. We have entered the 25,200 put at around 87.5 and it is just trading flat. Nifty looks all the more bearish now. And for this one, our stop loss will be 82. 82 will be the SL, and I'll just manually place my SL there. 82 will be the SL because that is the bottom of the previous candle. So I don't want to take a risk beyond below 82 to 81.5. And again, it is also possible that in this trade also I might go to loss. But looking at Nifty charts and as things stand, it is going to break the day's low and move down further, is what I believe. 250 is approaching. In fact, it is at 250. So let's look at what 915 trade also has to say. Again, looking bearish, bearish and bearish and bearish. Yes. I'll be even happy to add some more quantity if Nifty is taking a break and that stop loss could be modified. I can even have an average at around 82. If it comes down to 82, I can even average it, because I can see only negativity in the market now. Mainly negativity and nothing else is what I can feel right now. So I'll be even happy to average two more quantity at around 80 to 82. So my SL will further be close to 25 to 90, at around 25 290 to 300 ranges. When Nifty reaches 25 290 ranges, that's a 40 point seller. That's fine, affordable for me. And no, I don't think Nifty is waiting for someone. Nifty is moving up. Nifty is moving down. I'm sorry. And as of now, our profits have started, and I'll book my first quantity at around 105. If I get it at around 105, because that will be close to 220. The 220s, and when it gets closer to 200, it might take a break. So I will possibly book some quantity at 105 ranges, and only one third. The rest I will trail my stop loss. Whatever profits, if I can get, I'll get it. So more than half of our first trade's loss is covered now. More than half is covered. Only the remaining 1300 is left, and who knows, it may be covered in one single stretch also. Anyway, things are looking bearish and bearish and bearish for Nifty. Nothing positive as of now. This might be taking small breaks here, and I can't see this one reversing immediately. So we have entered the 25,200 put at 87.5. It is currently trading at 92. Yeah, 91 to 92. But the portfolio, yeah, my god, 1.6 percentage down. My portfolio is down by 1.6 percentage. I don't know. Yeah. By the way, we are going to bring in possibly iPhone 15 or 16 in this Amazon sale uh, to increase the quality of our video, and a new mic also. So those are new additions to our family, technology additions to our family of YouTube, our social media family. We might bring in possibly by today. We might order, and we'll get it in what, 2 days time. And maybe from next week we'll be having our own personal mic for streaming and all. Yes, 97. I had in fact thought of averaging some more when it comes down to our cost again, but that didn't happen. It is at 97 to 98. Things looking more and more bearish, and almost all of our losses are now covered. You can see our positions here. Yeah, it went up to 1000 again. Chalo. So this is our second trade today. Our first trade was in a loss. Second trade is currently running in profits. We will see. And as I said, it's already 10:22, 10:25. I'll stop my stream today slightly early, by not slightly early, comfortably early. By around 10:30, I'll have to stop my stream. Please don't take it in a wrong way. I have some commitments outside also, so I don't want to uh, dwell in this one for so long and lose time here. Anyway, so this is our position. Our first position we had got into a loss around 2,900, and our second trade is currently running in profits. Entered the 25,200 put at around 87.5. Currently it is at 92 to 93 ranges. Nifty might be taking a small break here, and if it moves up, still further moves up, I can't see as of now. I cannot see this one going up further. It might be taking a small break, and further downfall could continue, is what I believe. So I'll be even happy to average some more at 80, at my somewhere near my cost at around 85 to 87, and I can look for more ride, because all the volumes, the alpha arc, everything, the open interest, everything bearish, 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 nothing else. 300 is also bearish, just simply bearish. And the call sellers are adding their position time and again, minute by minute. Again, sellers are gaining control. We might be in for a further downward rally today. I'll be, again, let me tell you, I'll be possibly stopping my stream soon in another 5 to 10 minutes. The subscribers has gone up to 824. Yeah, 824. And I will soon have to possibly sometime today, not soon, but sometime today, I'll have to add to my option selling strategies. I might short Sensex calls, looking at the trend which is unfolding. But again, that's not yielding me much profits here. That is the issue, and I'll have to be watchful of the global markets or the general scenario over the during the weekend time. So that is something which is stopping me from doing it. I'll see. But if not today, mostly on Monday, I'll add my bull put spread or bear call spread or whatever it is, whatever strategy I'm taking up there. Then at that time I'll do that Sensex short, because we generally do not miss out on expiry days. Expiry days are our favorites. If you had seen our reels, okay, yesterday also, okay, how much is the reels views? Our shorts, YouTube shorts, yes. The subscribers have gone up to 827. Yes, 827. 93.5. This was the case earlier also. Nifty was taking small breaks and moving down further. So it is okay to take a break at around 94, 95 now. 94. Our first target, let me set this one first. Exit one lot, just one lot at around 100 and let's say 102, 103, 103. It will be 103. One lot at 103. I place my order. I may not be done with that. 25 200. Yes, लेकिन उतना तो support नहीं है. That is not the greatest support. The 95s and the 96s. That it has broken the 25 250 levels. Now should be going to somewhere very close to 25 200s. So another 20 points to 20 to 30 points is definitely on the cards, which should possibly mean the option going to 100 and 100 plus, definitely 100 plus is what I believe. Seems to be going up. 236. We need Nifty to come down to 215. 215 levels. 215 levels could be, this one could be 110 ranges, I guess. Yes, breaking the day's low. Nifty is breaking the day's low and the option is going to 100 now, close to 100. And our positions, we are almost flat, almost there. So our first trade loss is almost covered. We are not exactly there, but I guess this one, as things stand, Nifty is going down. After two dojis, things look bearish again. And I believe it is time for this one to go down further. That is 100 and our first target is hit. Yes, first target is hit and all of our losses are now covered. The rest is again trailing stop loss. We might again we might go down to losses again, but see how easy it was. Like, we identified a trend and we just did stick on to our strategy. Yes, we have made a loss on the first trade, but we were not afraid. We are just taking it as and when it comes, right? So that has given us profits. So again, almost all of our losses are covered, and it is trading flat now. Our P&L is trading flat, as you can see here. And I don't think this is done yet. I can't see this one getting done. And it's already 10:35 now. I'm supposed to leave. I have to leave. I'm extremely sorry for that, but life has to move on, right? I have to leave now. And trade cautiously, trade carefully. A weekend is coming up. There could be considerable premium decay today afternoon. Today afternoon, there could be some premium decay happening because of the weekend effect. So be cautious with that and trade wisely. Yes, that's all I can say. Trade wisely, trade cautiously. Make sure you have enough capital with you for making another loss, just like Junjunwala sir said. Let us see, and I will currently now trial my stop loss. reverse position. I don't know what's reverse position. This is exit. Okay. I don't know. Chala. Okay. We are now entering into the profit regime. Slowly entering the profits. The meanwhile, our portfolio is down by 1.8%. That is never good. Significant hit in my portfolio. I will trail my stop loss. I will just keep my stop loss now at my cost, or I'll keep it at 90, and my trigger price will be 90.5. So anywhere above 90 I'll exit. I mean 90 will be my stop loss. That will be the minimum. Now that is a profit which I'll have. Again, so overall we have come into profits today. We have our first trade went into loss, and our second trade we have got a good catch, and it is still running 150, 150 only. 150 quantity is still remaining, and we are trailing our stop loss. We'll see how far it goes. Okay, so everyone, thanks everyone for joining in, and see you on Monday. See you. We'll start the live afresh. We'll trade together possibly if you are okay with it, and let's try to make even more profits. Let's keep everyone happy. Let's let everyone have their own pocket money, have their own set of required capital, required profits, expected profits. Let everything go good. May you stay healthy. Let everything go good in your life. May you have peace of mind, most importantly than anything else. Thank you so much. See you on Monday.